The feeling when you get to the campus is that you have entered a gorgeous paradise, not just because of the trees and flowers, but because of the blossoming of academic minds there.
The beauty of the Weizmann is it allows the basic scientists to take as much time as they need.
If you want to have an innovative, technologically advanced world, you have got to understand nature, and that is what Weizmann is all about.
The Weizmann is the only non-US research institute in the world ranked in the top 10 for impact of its science. Students therefore get exposed to this absolutely world-class science.
Having educational programs that bring out the best potential of the population to be able to do science, it's crucial.
To foster an curiosity for young, bright students.
I think that the Weizmann Institute sees that, so invests in it enormously.
The ISSI program was a tremendous catalyst because it showed me what it meant to have a career in science.
It was my first experience in actually working in the lab, doing very serious research, being mentored, writing a project at the end and presenting it.
We're talking about leading edge research, really at the forefront of the fields, working hands-on alongside professionals, academics that are brilliant in their own right.
You're going from the ordinary to the extraordinary and meeting amazing students from all over the world.
There's no question that it basically paved the way for my career.
The experience was so strong that at that point it was clear to me that I would continue as a scientist, as a profession in the future, and hopefully one day come back to the Weizmann Institute and open my own lab here.
In my 12th grade year, I participated in both the Schellhevet-Freyer physics tournament here, and then over the summer I came for the International Summer Science Institute. I really felt like I was part of the lab. I got to develop skills that I didn't even know existed till I got here.
The physics tournament that's organized by Weizmann every year is for high school students, where they have to build a safe based on physics principles that is challenging to break into, but can be broken into if you understand physics. You meet some of these physics students who are really into this and really understand it. And you feel, you know what, these people are going to do something interesting in the world and make it a better place one day.
Those were two of the most amazing experiences I've had in my life. So when I heard that there was another program I could participate in my undergraduate years, I had to take the opportunity, and here I am on the Kubsner-Getz program.
The atmosphere here is so much an atmosphere of learning, of questioning, of discussion.
I'm here to study biology, however, I've seen so much more than that. I've seen more than my project, and everyone was so patient to answer questions.
No matter where you go, you could have a conversation with somebody about the subject that interests you. People will tell you something about their projects, you could tell them something about yours, and science as a whole advances.
I've been able to go through so much research in just these few days because of how much time we spend on it, and the exposure that it provides to us to other cultures as well as other scientific processes is incredible. The thing that really sets apart the Weizmann summer program from other summer programs is maybe the amount of effort that everyone running the program puts into it. I think it really makes it just so much better for all of us involved.
This is a program that is a life-changing, career-changing, career-guiding. You will get a taste of what science is like in a real-world way, and that's really all you need to do. You plant the seed and then let it grow.
It changes their lives because they're no longer looking for the let's build knowledge on previous knowledge, but what if I think out of the box? If someone says it can't be done, don't take it as a conclusion, take it as a challenge.
The impact of this participation in the program is immense. And they say it, everybody who participated told me that was their best experience in their life.
Really, you know, you go to Weizmann, you see what they're doing. You can see that they were really getting involved with it. They really wanted to do it. You hope out of some of those, they'll now say, well, what's the next thing I can learn?
The kids who go over there are exposed to this wonderful network of, in the case of any one individual, 79 others of the world's brightest students from around the world. These relationships that are developed tend to permeate these kids' futures as well in their careers.
The scholarship is open to students from all walks of life, all different religions, and we've been very heartened by the letters that we've received from these young people who otherwise would not have had exposure to Israel and understanding what the country is about, and they end up being ambassadors for Israel.
Literacy, developing a love of reading, and developing a love for science, those are essential. Part about science that is the most interesting to me is that it exercises curiosity. It's like muscle building for your curiosity.
Whether it's the genetic research or computer people solving the problems with malaria, geneticists finding new ways to feed the world, what other institution is going to be able to allow the scientists to let their curiosity drive? Look at the possibilities.